Ever feel like you're staring at a wall when trying to access your Infosys Springboard? Let's break down the process of securely logging into Infosys Springboard from virtually any device, ensuring you smoothly navigate its learning resources. First, grab your device. It can be a laptop, tablet, or even your phone. Excellent. Next, open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. In the browser's address bar, type in the Infosys Springboard URL. This is typically provided by Infosys, your HR department, or available from your initial setup instructions. If you're unsure, double-check your company resources or reach out to IT support. Press enter and the Springboard login page should load. Now, enter your username. This is usually your employee ID or the username assigned to you by Infosys. Carefully type it into the designated field following the username. It's time to enter your password. This is sensitive information, so make sure you're in a secure environment and type accurately. After filling the fields, look for the login button. Click on it. This triggers the authentication process. If you've entered your details correctly, you should be successfully logged in and greeted with the Springboard dashboard. Encountering problems: if your login fails, double-check the caps lock is off and that you're typing the right username and password. If you've forgotten your password, look for a forgot password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset or recover your account. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to contact Infosys support for assistance. That's it. Now enjoy exploring the resources and features of the Springboard platform.